So, I have this drawing that I did when earlier I did this drawing, and if you like it, just like what? Nothing po. I'm clown. Sorry guys, but you don't have this controller, right? But I have a TV, that's why I can play whatever I want. Right now, that's just my queer. Just playing games. Look, it's like stuff. I'm sorry guys, but I need to go now. I'm just gonna be late.